Hey there, welcome to this lesson on using AI to write your video script. In our last lesson, we talked about defining your target audience. Who are you making this video for and what do they need? Today, we're going to take that knowledge and use AI, specifically ChatGPT, to help craft a compelling, structured video script. I'll mainly be using ChatGPT 4.0 in this lesson, but you, of course, can use any other tool like Perplexity, Gemini, or Copilot, whichever tool works best for you. You can find links to the best tools below. One of the biggest mistakes I see businesses make when creating a video script is focusing too much on the words instead of the visuals. And video is a visual medium. So let's flip the process. Instead of starting with the script, the words, let's start with what we will see. So let's focus on what will your viewers actually see on their screens. And if you're not a very visual thinker, no worries, AI can help. Here's a prompt that you can use. Ask ChatGPT for visual suggestions, a shot-by-shot visual plan for your video, including locations, actions, and key elements that will make the video engaging. For example, you're a corporate video producer or perhaps a viral TikTok creator, and I am making a corporate video about fill in your topic. My target audience is, again, fill in your target audience. Please create a shot-by-shot plan for my video in text, including locations, actions, and key elements that will make the video engaging. Now, make this as specific to your brand as possible and always include keywords that best describe your brand or company. Now, if you'd like ChatGPT to create some visuals for your ideas, you can ask for that too. Type something like, can you create a JPEG image? 1920 by 1080 pixels or whatever format you'd like of what this shot could look like. You can ask to make it photorealistic or more like a sketch, for example. This can be a tremendous help when you're trying to plan your visuals for your videos. And that's how AI can help you visualize your message. Pretty neat, isn't it? Okay, so now that you know what the viewer will see, let's think about what will be said. This could be a voiceover or an interview, for example, and AI can help with that step as well. So let's say you have a presentation with a ton of slides, or a long article, or perhaps a list with raw bullet points that need to be turned into a short, engaging video script. AI can summarize and structure this for you. Let's try it out. So here's my prompt. I need to create a short 60-second video script, of course, change the time if needed, from this presentation. The target audience is fill in your target audience. Please summarize the key points into a clear, engaging video script with a conversational tone. Of course, please add your own keywords that fit your brand. Now, as you can see, the first output, it's pretty neat already, but make sure to go through and check for the right words. Check for the duration of the script and the tone of voice. And if you need changes, simply ask ChatGPT to adapt to another tone of voice or adapt the duration. And here's a practical tip. If ChatGPT has difficulty giving you the right words or the right tone of voice, give it a previous video script you have and ask it to use that as a reference for the right tone of voice. As you can see, this is how AI can help condense a lot of information, and after some tweaks, you now have a final script. Now that we know what we'll see and what we'll hear, the next step is organizing everything into a proper script format. And again, AI can save you a ton of time here and put your script into a practical table. Let me show you. With this prompt, again, you want to be as specific as possible. Please structure this script into a video script format with 3 columns: video, what is seen; audio, what is heard; and timing, duration of each part. Keep the script within 60 seconds, of course. Adjust to whatever video you're creating. Now, this can make it much easier to plan your video production because everything is neatly structured and you can adjust the timing as needed. If your script includes multiple people or locations, just ask AI to add extra columns. And after some tweaks, here's the final draft. Now, the last step is the human check. Before we finalize the script, always go through it to check, do the tone and words match your brand and your audience? Change it up when needed. Also, double check, are the key messages clear and engaging? Are any AI-generated facts or statistics accurate? Double check these for copyright or plagiarism. And very important, does it feel natural when you read the script out loud? You can even ask AI to go through your script with these questions or go through it yourself. It's the final, but I think most important step. It's to make sure that the script isn't just technically correct, but that it resonates with your audience and that it feels human. And that's it. You now have a structured process for using AI to write your video scripts, starting with visuals, then audio, then structuring everything in a clean format. And remember, AI is here to help, but your creativity and your human touch make all the difference.